Feel the raw power as colossal machines tear through massive logs with ease. The thunderous roar of engines merges with the crackling sound of splintering wood, creating an unforgettable symphony of strength. This video offers a thrilling glimpse into the heights of the logging industry. Don't miss out. This must be one of the world's most dangerous jobs. The trees are massive, and even a small mistake can be deadly. These workers deserve immense respect. Let's accompany this dedicated woodsman on his journey. While I find his actions somewhat mysterious and don't fully understand his motivations, I believe he is demonstrating a profound respect and admiration for the natural world. Oh, that was a close call. Luckily, he's okay, but the fence is completely wrecked. Hopefully, the neighbors won't be too upset. Next time, it's best to call in the professionals. I'm truly impressed with the Komatsu 931SC. This machine features a 6-cylinder engine, 251 horsepower, and a triple-pump hydraulic system. It effortlessly tackles steep slopes and makes timber harvesting a breeze. Does anyone else think this machine deserves to compete in the race? I appreciate the effort put forth by the TT4 machine, with its diesel engine delivering 95 to 110 horsepower, allowing it to handle between 40 to 80 cubic meters of timber per hour. However, it seems this terrain is quite challenging, and it appears the machine is being pushed to its limits. I'm genuinely puzzled about why the base of the tree caught fire, and why the man chose to cut it down, even as it continued to burn. Could someone clarify this for me? Please leave a comment below and shed some light on the situation. In my opinion, it's advisable to entrust such tasks to experienced professionals to minimize the risks of potential hazards and financial losses. Is anyone else watching this? It looks like this guy is in serious trouble. Let's see if he can pull it off. Place your bets, folks. Will he conquer the hill, or will gravity take the win this time? Leave your comment below. Wow, this looks like a disaster waiting to happen. What makes it even more intriguing is the curiosity about how this guy is going to handle this tree. Let's watch and find out. compact Terry 2040 deceive you? This advanced forestry machine features a powerful 60 HP engine and can cut up to 15 to 20 cubic meters of wood per hour. With a 360-degree swivel seat and modern controls, it offers maximum comfort and control. Protecting trees and the environment, Terry 2040 is the ideal solution for sustainable forestry. The Frontier OS 27 portable sawmill is equipped with a 13.5 HP 420cc Briggs & Stratton engine, capable of handling logs with a maximum diameter of 69 centimeters and a cutting width of 56 centimeters. It has a standard cutting length of 3.4 meters, which can be extended. With its auto-locking sawhead system and easy blade tensioning, it ensures precise and efficient cuts. What do you think about this machine? This is why it's crucial to bring in a team of experts to manage this tree. Fortunately, they were able to steer clear in time, ensuring that no one was hurt. However, they now face a larger challenge in dealing with the damage to the house. Can you imagine it? The LKT-81, with a power output of around 170 horsepower, typically handles 20 to 30 cubic meters of wood per hour, but it's hauling a massive load of up to 50 cubic meters. What do you think? Is the LKT-81 the ultimate workhorse in this situation? If you're searching for a quick and efficient solution for stump grinding, the Bandit 2800 SP stump grinder is the answer. This powerful machine features an engine with a horsepower range of 50 to 74, delivering high-speed performance and effectively processing multiple stumps per hour. Designed for user comfort and easy operation, it ensures a smooth experience for the operator. Additionally, its system for protecting surrounding trees makes it an ideal choice for professional stump grinding applications.
And that was the goal here, and also like to discuss with the customer.
At this height, just looking at it makes my palms sweat. Always remember to stay cautious and use proper safety gear when tackling tasks like this. This guy and his team are handling this towering tree with impressive bravery. Let's watch and see how it goes. This driver demonstrates exceptional skill and relentless determination as they navigate winding roads while hauling thousands of tons of timber. Facing daily risks demands a special kind of bravery. Their dedication to this challenging profession truly deserves our admiration, don't you think? The LogMax 7000 XT demonstrates outstanding excellence in engineering. With an impressive 80cm cutting capacity and seamless integration of the LogMate 510 control system, it achieves unparalleled operational performance. The advanced active friction control technology has significantly enhanced the machine's durability, positioning it as a groundbreaking harvester. Truly excellent, right, folk? This impressive achievement is thanks to this individual. Watch as this massive tree is expertly brought down with the assistance of a powerful saw. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and hit the subscribe button for more exciting content. Don't forget to click on the video at the corner of the screen to check out more captivating videos. See you in the next one.